Good morning, students. Welcome back to our class 12th A, chapter number 1. As I was discussing about this chapter, the remaining part of this chapter is now going to start. Now going to start. Mr. Header, I have heard that my last French lesson, I hardly know how to write. I never learn anymore. I must stop there. Then how sorry I was for not learning that had seemed such a distance a while ago. So happy to carry my grammar and my history of the sun. Were old friends now. I could not give up. And Mr. Hamel took the idea that he was going away, that I should never see him again, made me forget about the ruler and how crazy he was. Mr. Hamel was about to leave the school because the other French language was not be taught. So the writer thinks that what he will do now. And when the time was good, he was always ignore the English grammar, but now he felt very sorry for it. Poor man, he was honor of the last. Honor of the last. Poor man, it was the honor of the last lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes and out. And now I understand why he had old man of the village varsity. Now the friends understand that why the teacher, Mr. Hamel, wear the Sunday's clothes and the people of the village were collecting them. It was because they were sorry so that they had not gone to school more. It was their way to thanking for master for 40 years of faithful service and showing this respect for the country of India. I heard Mr. Hamel said to me, I will not scold you, Mr. Little Fan. You must feel bad enough. And I'll see how it is every day we have said to ourselves, I have plenty of time, I learn it tomorrow. He says that, and now you see, Mr. Hamel said to friends that you have a lot of time, now you will away from my schools. अब तुम्हें मेरी डांट नहीं सहनी पड़ेगी और तुम्हारे पास बहुत टाइम होगा और इट लर्न टुमारो मैं अब कहता मेरे पास बहुत टाइम होगा आई विल लर्न इट टुमारो एंड नाउ you see where we have come out. That is the great trouble for Elsie, that she puts off learning till tomorrow. Now those fellows out there will have the right to say to you how it is. You pretended to be Frenchman and yet you can neither speak nor write your own language. अब ना आप अपनी भाषा लिख पाएंगे और ना जान पाएंगे. And but you are not worse poor little friend. You will, अब इससे बुरा समय आपके पास कभी नहीं आएगा. You will have all great deal to reproach ourselves with. Your parents were not anxious enough to have you learn. तुम्हारे माता पिता बहुत परेशान नहीं होंगे कि तुमने क्या पढ़ा क्या नहीं पढ़ा. They prefer to put you to work in a farm. अब वो तुम्हें एक खेतों में काम या मिलों में काम के लिए तुम्हें भेज देंगे. So as to have a little more money, and I have been to blame also. Had I not often sent you in water my fraud instead of learning your lesson. और अब कहते हैं और आपको भी अब अपना पाठ पढ़ने की अपेक्षा आपको लोगों को पानी देने के लिए नहीं भेजा जाएगा. एंड व्हेन आई वांटेड टू गो फिशिंग और न ही आपको मछली पकड़ने के लिए जाना होगा छुट्टी के दिन. And from one thing to another, Mr. Hamel went to talk to the French language, saying it was most beautiful language in the world. अभी कल तक तो मिस्टर हैमेल कहते थे ये बहुत अच्छी लैंग्वेज है, बहुत अच्छी भाषा है. एंड द क्लियरेस्ट एंड मोस्ट लॉजिकल दैट वी मस्ट गार्ड इट. हमें इसकी रक्षा करनी चाहिए. एंड because when our people are enslaved, as long as they hold fast of their language, it is as if they had the key to as long as they had fast to their language, it is as if they had the key to their prison. Then he opened the grammar and read us our lesson. फिर उन्होंने अपना ग्रामर पढ़ी और Students, I completed my chapter. Now I am going to give you the answer of this chapter. So please take out your notebook and start to writing it. Write down the question. Students, write down the question. The people in the story understanding the बच्चों, write down your question. The people in the story suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. What shows you this? Why does this happen? Please write down the answer. The people in the story suddenly realize. The people in the story suddenly realize. How precious their language is to them. How precious their language. Suddenly realize how precious their language is to them. This shows the human nature. This shows the human nature of not properly valuing, was not. He shows this human nature of not properly valuing, valuing, valuing the things which are easily available. Full stop. Their presence is taken for granted. Their presence is taken for granted. Grantd, granted. Full stop. It is just as it is just as it happens with our environment. Full stop. Human beings did not realize the importance of a clean environment until they made it so polluted that living in it so polluted that living in it became a health hazard. HAZARD. पैराग्राफ चेंज करिए. M. Hamel in the story blames everyone for having put off the learning of French thinking that there were enough time to do even the old people of the village weep when they learn that their children will not be taught the language any longer. This shows how people resent the change of language. It happens because every person loves his mother, loves his mother tongue and considers it to be the best language in the world. All the students, listen it carefully. You have to write out the answer in your notebook. जो भी आपको बच्चों समझ में ना आए आप हमसे पूछ लीजिएगा. बाकी आपका ये आज यहीं पर समाप्त करते हैं.